I don't develop app, go far. Whether it's dating app, fintech apps, if you're not well informed, you might be left behind.
During our time, Stack Overflow was the AI of nowadays.
Once you don't find your solution, then just close your laptop for the day. That's a very good question. So I would say a quick advice would be
Hi guys, so today we are back again with another episode, and we have somebody that I so much respect in tech industry. He's going to tell us about himself and a lot of things about AI. We have Afolabi, and Afolabi, please can you tell us about yourself?
Yeah, hello my people. My name is Odurinde Afolabi. I'm a mobile engineer with several years of professional experience. I don't develop app, go far. We have built apps across different tech spaces. Whether it's dating app, fintech apps, Christian apps, religious apps, anything, just name it. We are there. So it's a privilege to be with Amalis in here.
Thank you for that. Okay, in case you need an AI dating app, you can meet Afolabi. He can build that for you. Okay, so Afolabi, today we are talking about AI, and first of all, what do you think is AI? Because we have a lot of people talking about AI left, right. I believe even you. I remember there is this last Google stuff.
Yeah.
The only thing you were hearing is AI. All the conference AI. So what is this AI that we are hearing?
Yeah, AI is the new odd shot in town, right? So everybody is all about AI, and if you don't, if you're not well informed, you might be left behind. So in my own view, AI is like the name suggests, artificial intelligence, right? I view AI as a tool that showcases the might of human intelligence, right? Because nothing that AI is producing is new. It's all about regenerative data, right? And exposing data to people who don't normally have the data, right? So AI is a very powerful tool, and I believe in the right hands with the right control, it can take development work to the next level.
Okay, thank you. As someone that is starting his or her career in tech, so what are those tools that you advise them to learn, or how should they learn in this new AI era?
Yeah, that's a very good question. It's all about striking a balance between don't let me use the word old way, but the former methods of learning and the new age, method, right? So it all boils down to what you do.
Yes.
Like your career paths. Okay, do I want to be a backend developer? Do I want to, you have your goals in front of you, right? That in majority decides, the kind of learning framework you're going to employ. But it's still the same principles on a general level, right? Back in the days, we used to focus more on tutorials, more on books. You had to go the hard route.
Yeah.
But now, AI has made everything, easy for you. So what I would recommend is to not skip some of the core steps at the beginning, right? It's very easy to, I have this task I want to do. Let me just straighten AI and just get the results. That you are doing yourself a disservice because you don't understand what goes on under the hood, right? Yeah, it's like, you try to fix a car and you should just go ahead and buy the parts, but you don't understand what that part is doing, right?
Yeah.
So it's very, very tricky. So still do the whole steps, go through tutorials, understand why this is working this way, then you can now use AI to make it work faster. So it's all about the hybrid approach, using more of the traditional methodology with the new steps to get the best working solutions.
When last did you use Stack Overflow?
Funny enough,
Yeah.
I still used it very recently.
Oh, wow.
Just to, do something that just to, have a fresh perspective. I was facing an issue on my local machine. I just decided to let me go the old route, copy and paste it in Stack Overflow. Let me see what comes up. And he came up with a good solution, right? Which actually worked all that I wanted to do. So I still always check back with Stack Overflow every now and then.
I think the new developers will not understand what we mean by Stack Overflow. During our time, Stack Overflow was the AI of nowadays. I don't think any developer by then, it's a must that you must know Stack Overflow, because that is where we get our answers.
The only downside, once you don't find your solution, then just close your laptop for the day.
But once your solution is not in Stack Overflow, that's basically nobody has replicated your problem. Yeah. So with this new AI, a lot of AI model, which of them have been used, and which of them can you recommend people that, okay, these are the tools or these are the model that I think is a good tool, or things that has helped you as a developer?
All right, thank you for that question. So I'll focus more on the developers in the mobile development space, right? The good old ChatGPT, right, works for most basic tasks, right? Then if you want to, advance, there are very advanced tools like Cursor, which is a very prominent solution. So recommended to me by one of my colleagues, Mobalaji. So it's a very good solution that you can always try out. Then the new boys in town, the Groks, and one that is always overlooked that people don't talk about enough. Copilot.
Wow.
I use it a lot too. It does tasks very, very efficiently as well. So you can also check that out. Copilot's also a very good solution.
Between VS Code and Kusa, which of them do you prefer?
I'll say Kusa.
Why Kusa?
Kusa like makes use of several, AI models. So it gives you a very, very effective solution, right? Then you can even have your code base in place in Kusa. So it takes data from your code base itself, right? Not like you're pasting bits and parts of your code base and trying to piece it all together. So I've said that's one major advantage that Kusa has.
Okay, so some of you that are asking what is Kusa. Kusa is AI in VS Code.
Yeah.
Okay, so what is that advice that you give to your junior self if you had to start your career in this AI area?
That's a very good question. So I would say a quick advice would be open-minded, right? One thing I see a lot of new age developers make mistakes with is working in silos, right? You feel AI is not your best friend, you can do it all alone, and you forgo the traditional methods of having an actual community of developers, people that do what you do, people that know what you do, people that are more experienced than you, and people that are more experienced, but it's all about a community, right?
Yeah.
So you feeding information and you getting information back is all still part of the process. I remember back in the days, I would run into issues. I had my guys, like 5 of us, like we do the same thing and in different areas. So guys, how far have you seen this issue before? What's happening? Before you know, we are solving the problem in half the time, right? So that is a very important advice I'll give to myself.
So if you are a junior developer, whether you are using AI or not, there are some old things that are still very, very relevant in today, which is community. People you hang around with is very, very, very important. I remember when I started my career as a software developer, I have a lot of friends that are into software development. Sometimes we stay overnight and it was fun. Seeing people that are doing the same thing like you, yeah, there's that joy. Don't just lock yourself indoor because you have ChatGPT or AI that can give you all the answers. Yes, it can give you all the answers, but that's human feeling, that human communication, that's one-on-one feeling, and it helps you. It helps your mental health too. So thank you for joining us today. Thank you. Okay.
Check my page out at LinkedIn. Yeah, at Odurinde Afolabi. I post a lot of mobile development tips there. If you're a mobile developer or front-end developer or a developer in general, I post a lot of things that you can learn from, and I would love to learn from you as well. So thanks.
Just follow him on LinkedIn and all his social. I'm going to drop it on this video so that you see and then follow. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.